Hello guys and welcome. You are watching Rama Product Review. I'd like to give my sincere apologies about my last video for having some technical microphone issues. I did get a new microphone, but unfortunately it's still not working out. I guess I'm gonna upgrade myself to a better microphone. However, we are getting into a product today on the summer side, which most of you are going to be outdoors enjoying some barbecue, etc., or probably just doing whatever. So what we're getting into today, the BUGZTRap Fly Propelled Repellent device. So this is a device where it has a 360 rotating blade that deters insects such as fly, moths, mosquitoes, etc. And it can be used in various places as highlighted here on the box, or simply just dining outside or indoors, it doesn't matter. Or actually come with some really cool features which I'm going to be going over. However, let's get into it. You can find this, yes, at your Dollarama. As we open this box, let's see what it's all about. So first off, it comes, I believe I put this in the box, I'm not sure, it's a Type-C cable. And as we dig deeper, out comes this cone-shaped device. So it has two features, which is a power-up feature where it is one, it can work with two AA batteries at the bottom here, a little slot that fits in vertically into the fuselage. And then if you look here at the side, it has a Type-C connection which you can plug a USB cord into. As we get into it, let's see how it works. So yes, also it can be just simply standing on a table, or it does come with a hook at the bottom and it can be hooked upside down. This is great for vendors that are actually having food. If you have a local flea market, etc., it's really great to use. And no lights or anything like that, it's just a simple motor attached to it. As we get into it, let's start off with the Type-C. You can get your Panasonic batteries at the Dollarama for this. It comes with two batteries, you probably know that already. And simply what I'm going to do now is just plug into the Type-C with a Type-C cable, sit it down here, and pretty much you get your trusty power bank, and you just plug it in, you power up your power bank, and it starts rotating right away. Depending on your power bank, it should last a long time. As for AA batteries, I don't know how long it will last, but it's a very smooth motor. There's no motor noise, it's just one moving part, etc. As for the blades, it's very user friendly. They're very soft, it doesn't hurt anybody, except you just want to keep it away from the eyes. And yeah, so both ways I mentioned, it can be just sitting on a table, or secondly, just open the hook and turn it upside down, and yeah, that's it. As for that, it has what makes it really great. As you know, most insects are attracted to light, so with these reflectors on the edge, it actually gives a light where deters the bugs away. As for a few insects highlighted here at the bottom, it can be flies, moths, and mosquitoes, etc. And yeah, it works really great, I guess, for eating and dining outdoor at apartments or simply at home. In some countries that I've been to, have abundance of flies, so I think this will be a great feature to have. As for it, it has just a rotating blade I mentioned, and table fan powered, etc., and work with two AA batteries. And as for that, you can find this at your local Dollarama in the barbecue section, where you have like your barbecue stuff, or pretty much your home garden aisle, where they pretty much carry everything for your gardening, etc. Don't have to take my word for it, but if you don't find it at a local Dollarama, at your local Dollarama in your area, search around. Pretty much you can find it at different Dollaramas as they're season. This is my second year seeing these in stores, and pretty much just have a look out for them. Grab a few if you please, and pretty much just keep them around the house, and simply for travels to have your trusty propelled unit. As for that, that was the bug trap propeller device for deterring your critters such as fly, moths, mosquitoes, whatever. If you do have one, however, I would like to hear in the comment section how well it is working out for you. As for that, I'll see you in another video, and that was pretty much it for this video. It's just a simple device. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.